Yeah, hello everyone. Hope you guys are good. What is happening, guys? Hello, everybody. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, welcome everyone to today's live stream. And been a long time, man. Been a long time. It is what it is. Um, you know, I was just doing a couple of things here. Been busy here and there. It is what it is. But today, I'm back live and direct with you guys. So hope you guys are doing good and wonderful anyway. Yeah, so we're about to start the live stream right now. So let's get it, man. All right. So how are you guys doing? Hope you good. Hope you good. Let me see what you guys are saying. All right. So yeah, everybody, Israel the trader speaking right here, and I appreciate your presence. So we're about to get things started, man. Yeah. All right. Israel the trader speaking. So this is going to be a lifetime. Oh my goodness, I'm talking about a lifetime again. Sorry for that. This is going to be a live stream, not a lifetime something. You know, we are not talking about costs right here. So guys, let me try and set something. Check it out right here. So you know, all right, everybody. Yeah. So yeah, if today is your first time here, guys, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends and family. Most importantly, guys, you know what to do already. Like the video, share with your friends and family as well, right? So yeah, Ernest is saying we good. Yeah, we good, bro. How are you doing? Hope you are good as well. Boniface is saying, yo, what's up, bro? What's up, man? What's happening? What's happening? We are about to get things started, man. Yeah. So I was just trying to check last week analysis and stuff like that. And of course, I was not able to update us on whatsoever that is happening, like how many people we caught last week, here and there, and stuff like that. Though last week was kind of a very bad week for us because we had a stop loss hit and things like that, right? But no matter how it is, long term we are still profitable, right? Because we cannot expect the market to be giving us what we want as always. I don't win 100% of my trade, so don't expect me to win 100%, or don't expect each and every signal that I send to be a winning trade, right? Nah, don't ever expect that. I encounter some losses, guys, bunch of them here and there, but the only thing is that we should be able to manage our risk, and so that would not end up blowing our whole time or lifetime savings, right? Because only trade with what you can afford to lose. That's how uh, traders say, right? So, and it's very right, only trade with what you can afford to lose. So, but you can minimize your risk by doing a very good risk management if you know how to do it, right? And of course, at times we might just, violate those risk management rules. So it is what it is. Make sure if you are trying to flip on an account, it's not an account that you are planning to trade long term on, right? Because don't ever do that, guys. All right, enough of the talk. So yeah, before we continue and go ahead, guys, if there's any pair that you want me to analyze for you, you can just send it in the live chat section and say, hey Israel, can you just analyze this very pair for me? And you know, I'll just analyze it for you, because this is a weekly analysis, right? So this is weekly analysis. I expect some pairs from you guys as well. It is very, very important for you to know my opinion on maybe some certain pairs, like let's say Euro USD or Euro GBP, USD CHF, whatsoever, you know. Just send it in the live chat section. I will be glad to check it out for you, right? So yeah, the first pair that on my watch list for this week, you know, it is Euro GBP. I mean a Euro JPY. So this is Euro JPY right now. So you guys should, you know, could remember last week, we took about 200 pips on Euro JPY, and Euro JPY was one of the trade that we took last week, right? You can see 200 pips right here. So now Euro JPY came down for retracement to retrace back down to this level, right? That's retraced back down to this level. So now, you know, you see this move. That's what I refer as a retracement to retest this very previous highest point, right? You know that in an uptrending market, support is turning to resistance, right? I mean, yeah, resistance turning to support, resistance is turning to support. In an uptrending market, don't ever forget that, guys. Resistance is turning into support. That's what I mean. In an uptrending market, not downtrending market. Take note of that. In an uptrending market, right? So right here, what are you guys seeing? I don't know if you guys can see this, but let me just be zooming it in and out so that you can be seeing what I'm saying, right? So you can see that the market came down and retraced to this level, right? Because this was the previous resistance zone. Then the market came down and retested this previous level. But before that, you know, you guys can see that this market has been making a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high moves. If you can see what I'm highlighting right now, you can see the market has been making a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high move, which basically means that it was moving to the downside from here, right? But I personally regard this as a retracement. You know, I regard it as a retracement because I am a swing trader, right? But right here, what do you observe, guys? What do you observe? Can you guys tell me what you observe? Yeah, somebody is saying you will kindly analyze GBP, JPY. All right, yeah, I will try to analyze GBP, JPY for you too, because that's what you are asking of, right? Just, you know, a quick reminder, guys, make sure you just give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. That's how you can support this channel. And if today is the first time here, you know, you are welcome. Just subscribe to the channel in order for you not to miss out all of our weekly analysis and stuff like this. So, you know, you just give this video a thumbs up, guys. All right, apart from that, let's go down and continue with this analysis, which is Euro JPY. So this is Euro JPY right now, guys, and remember, this is 1 hour time frame, not 4 hour or daily time frame, right? Because I'm just trying to like explain to you guys what I saw last week and stuff like that right here on this Euro JPY, right? So that was around 82 pips. So right now, guys, you guys can see we saw a breakout of this, right? We saw a breakout. After this breakout, you see that the market came down and retraced to this previous trend line break, right? You know, trend line got broken, came down for the retracement, boom, push back up to the upside, right? That's pushed back up to the upside from here. From here down, boom, to the upside, right? So now, what I basically see is that the market, you know, instantly came down for another retracement. From here now, boom, you see that came down for this retracement. So this retracement was around almost 80 pips again. So, you know, so now I think I bought this last week. Yeah, I bought this last week again. So I got in, bought it. So right now I'm still holding my Euro GBP, I mean Euro JPY trade that I took last week, right? You can see where my stop loss is for 50 pips, right? So if the market eventually kept on pushing down to the downside, my stop loss is around 50 pips. So I don't have any problem with that. So if I see that the market is going to go and hit my stop loss, I can either manually close my trade, or I can leave it and let it hit my stop loss, right? Because I risk 1 to 3% of my account size on each trade that I'm getting in, right? So, at times, if you are not available, or if you are some sort of busy, you might say, okay, let me leave my trade without stop loss, without anything, right? That's a very, very bad practice. It actually happened to me last couple of weeks ago, right? I decided to remove all of my stop losses on my trade, and all of a sudden, all I saw was boom, lots of drawdown, right? So it's very, very bad practice, guys. Don't ever practice that. Always put your stop loss and take profit whenever time you do your analysis, right? So what determines your stop loss and take profit? What actually determines your stop loss and take profit is your risk to reward ratio. So this trade, I think it is 1 to 4, or I mean 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 thereabout. But I'm not sure of the risk reward ratio, except I check it back in again. So let me check it. Okay, this was 1 to 3.5. Yeah, 1 to 3.6, almost 1 to 2.4. I mean 1 to point, oh my goodness, what I'm saying, almost 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. That's what I wanted to say. Yeah, almost, but it is 1 to 3.6 risk to reward ratio. That's what we are having right here on this very trade. If it eventually go up and hit my final take profit, right? Well, if it's not able to go and hit my final take profit, you know what's up? I'll just start securing my profit. But let's see what is going to happen when the market opens, guys, because right now, like I said, I'm still holding my buy. Bought it here last upper weight, so now I keep coming down for retracement before it's going to continue back up again. Well, let's see if this is not able to support the market to continue to go back up, then we might decide to close the trade and stuff like that. So I'm considering this as my next support level, right? So let's see what is going to happen, guys, on this very time frame on Euro JPY. So yeah, that's what I'm saying on Euro JPY, and I'm bullish on it right now, guys. So what do you think about Euro JPY? Is it gonna buy or is gonna sell? So you tell me your opinion on this. All right, guys. So yeah, Boniface is saying we should check GBP. GBP JPY, right? So I'll go ahead and analyze this GBP JPY for you right now, because like I said, I'll be analyzing any pair that you guys ask from me. So this is GBP JPY. You guys can see this is GJ right now. So you can see GJ. What is happening on GJ right now is similar to what is happening on Euro JPY, right? And of course, we cannot just decide and conclude that here it is the same thing or same move or whatever. We have to come down to our daily time frame, because I will regard this as my swing trade or whatsoever. So you see that the market has been moving to the upside from here now on this daily time frame. On weekly time frame since 23rd of March 2020. So right now it's trying to push back up to the upside, right? So and of course I'm seeing some sort of exhaustion candles right here, but you have to go down to the daily time frame to spot out what actually is happening on it, right? So this is it. So the first thing, let me check out my support and resistance on this daily time frame. Remember, guys, this is daily time frame, not 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. So when we go down to 1 hour and 4 hour, I'll try to let you know that this is 1 hour time frame, this is 4 hour time frame, and stuff like that, right? So this is my support and resistance now on daily time frame on this GBP JPY now. You see that? It is my support and resistance, right? So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys, and share with your friends and family. Very, very important, right? Very, very important. So yeah, guys, right now let me go down to um the chart so that we can continue analysis, right? So this is it now on the daily time frame. So if we decide to put maybe our trend line on this daily time frame now, our trend line is going to look something like this. Let me put it correctly, right? It's going to start from there. So now I'll omit this week because I need the most touches possible for my trend line to be valid, right? 1, 2, 3, coming down for the fourth time. So now I'll change this color to green because this is my daily time frame. So let's go down to 4 hour time frame, guys. So this is 4 hour time frame right now on what I used to call it, GBP JPY. Hope you guys have seen what I'm doing, right? Because if you guys are not seeing, you can let me know. You can let me know, guys, if you are not seeing, right? So let me read your comments and see what exactly you guys are saying about this. So Kilo Trailer is saying that analyze Euro NZD and GBP NZD. All right. So I'll try to analyze Euro NZD and GBP NZD. So remember, guys, we have 40 minutes or 1 hour right here on YouTube. Then I'll go on Zoom call with my premium students and stuff like that. And of course, if you are not yet in our premium or channel or VIP or in any ITT membership, exclusive membership, you can enroll for that and take your trading skills to the next level, right? Take it to the next level, man. All right. So now, since this is GBP JPY, let's continue to do analysis. So this is 4 hour time frame, guys. This is our 4 hour time frame. So I'll just focus on what is happening around this area right now. So there's nothing much happening, to be honest with you. Yeah, there's support here, support here. All right, so nothing much is happening on GJ. So let's go down to 1 hour time frame because I don't want to be putting my support right here, but they'll put one support because I'm seeing support right around this area. Let me change the color. So this is 4 hour time frame. You see that? That's my support level again. Let's go down to 1 hour time frame. So this is an 1 hour time frame right now. So I will focus on what has happened around this area, right? So now what do you guys see? I'm seeing another trend line, right? Which means that the market has been making a lower low, lower high, pushing to the downside, right? So now let's put another trend line right around this area. That's another trend line right here, guys. Yeah, that's another trend line. So yep, this is trend line. Since that's another trend line right here, what are we supposed to do? I'll tell you what we are supposed to do. Let me change the color. This is okay. This is 1 hour time frame. That's the color for my 1 hour time frame. So what do you guys see here? Can you guys tell me what you are seeing? What do you guys see? Just tell me. Just tell me. Just tell me. How Chen is saying hello ITT. Hello bro. How you doing? Hope you good. Hope you good. Hope you good. Thank you very much for checking on us today. I really appreciate your presence, man. I appreciate your presence. All right, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. So yeah, Boniface is saying Euro JPY will continue buying. The market pulled back and got rejection at 61.8 of Fibonacci. So I expect the market to shoot up, you know. Yeah, if you use a Fibonacci strategy or Fibonacci retracement as your as for trend continuation, you know exactly what Boniface is talking about, right? So yeah, the market will continue to go back up to the upside, man. All right, so let's continue with the analysis on GBP JPY, since nobody is saying what he or she is saying on Euro JPY, but it's all good. It's all good, guys. So we are all here to learn something new, right? So you can see where I put my support and resistance right now. You can see this level, right? So what I mean by this is you can see that this was another resistance line here. So boom, try to break out of this resistance level. Let me be highlighting these stuff for you guys so that I will make life easier for you. So you see, this was the excuse me, oh my goodness. So this was the resistance level. The market tried to push down to the downside, boom, push back up, so decided to break out of this zone, right? Decided to break out of this zone, boom, continue to push back up to the upside, come down for retracement. You know, now you can see that the market is creating what we refer as high lows, high lows. But right now I'm seeing another change right here again. The market came down from this high level and decided to create this some sort of head and shoulders pattern, right? If you know what I'm talking about by head and shoulders, you can see it right here. So the market decided to sell, boom, to this point right now, trying to push back up to the upside. So now the market created what we refer as a double top formation on this 1 hour time frame. I don't know if you guys have seen this, right? This is another double top formation. Do you guys see this? This is double top formation. Right here, it is the first touch. Let me be showing it right here. First touch and second touch, right? So now you can see that the market is trying to push down to the downside, right? So now where am I expecting this market to come down before it to start to go back up to the upside? You see, I'm expecting the market to come down to this level first before it will shoot back up to the upside, right? Because, you know, I will expect it to continue to go back up to the upside if it eventually break out of this level around price 153.096. 153.096. If it eventually break out of it, then I will see that the market will come down and hit my daily time frame trend line, right? That's going to be the next target, or the final target right here. It's going to be my final target around price 152.807. 152.807. That's going to be my final take profit if it eventually break out of this around price 153.085. So, you know, that's it. But if the market is not able to do that, then I will expect it to go up from this support level to push back up to the upside, you know. So that's what I'm saying on GBP JPY, guys. So that's what I'm seeing on GBP JPY. So yeah, everybody, do you have any question regarding this GBP JPY analysis? If you have it, you know, you can just let me know and say, Israel, I don't understand this, I don't understand that, and stuff like that. Like I said, we just have about 40 or, you know, either 40 or 1 hour, you know, time here before I'll go and organize a Zoom call with my premium students. Today is Sunday, so we are supposed to have a Zoom call with them. So yeah, guys, is there any question about this? Is there any question before we continue? So far so good. We've spent about 25 minutes So we have about 15 minutes left, guys, or 15, or 35 minutes, it depends. So I don't know. um Somebody is saying inverted head and shoulders, maybe. Nah, there's no inverted head and shoulders here, bro. This is normal head and shoulders here. Let me show it to you so that it will be more clear, right? Maybe you see that? That's my right shoulder. um you see that, the right shoulder, this is the head. That's the head. Then this is the right shoulder, right? So you see, are you guys see what I'm saying now? So this was what happened last week before the market sold, right? That's what I was trying to explain to you. Not that I'm saying the market is forming another head and shoulders here or whatsoever. Now, I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is the market formed what we refer as head and shoulders pattern. This is normal head and shoulders pattern. This is not inverted head and shoulders, right? So this is my left shoulder, this is my head, and this is my right shoulder. So this was the neckline. As you can see, the neckline got broken. The market tried to push down to the downside. So now I say that this was my resistance level, right? So now in an uptrending market, resistance actually turns to support. Resistance turns to support in an uptrending market, right? So now you can see the market acted, this level rather, sorry for that, this level acted as a support level to support the market right here to push to the upside, right? I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So this resistance level right here is the one that supported the market to go back up to the upside from this zone, right? That's why I had to put this, my horizontal line, at this level. So I had to cycle it for you so that you can understand what I'm talking about. So I don't know if you guys are understanding this. Yeah, I don't know if you're understanding it. So this is what has happened on GBP JPY. So now, after the market supported this level to the upside, then you can see that it has created something we refer as double top formation, right? This is a double top formation. This is the first touch and second touch, which is a confirmation for us to know that, yeah, the market will still sell back to this point before it's going to go back up to the upside, right? So we will have to monitor this trade and know exactly what is going on, man, right? So now I'm expecting the market to come down to this point before it's going to push back up to the upside. So I'm not seeing any inverted head and shoulders right here. I don't know where you see the inverted head and shoulders, but me personally, I haven't seen that. I haven't seen it, guys. So yeah, like I said earlier on, if today is your first time here, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and just subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, man. Very, very important, so that you not miss out next live stream, right? So yeah, that's what I'm saying on GBP JPY. Is there any question on this, guys, before we continue? Any question on this? If we don't have any question, I'm planning to continue, guys. Is there any question before we go ahead? You can let me know if there's any other question, guys. Can we say the double top formation is a valid resistance? Yeah, for sure. That's true. That's true. It's a resistance level. Anywhere you are having double top is supposed to be your resistance level, and anywhere that you are having a double bottom is supposed to be your support level. So that's how it is. That's how it is. And now, let's go down to another pair if there is no any other question, right? Let's go down to okay, this Euro NZD and GBP NZD is from same person, right? Kilo trailer, are you still here? Let me know if you are still here before I start analyzing either one of these, either Euro NZD or GBP NZD. Let me know if you are still here, and also I'll just pick one of these. I'm not going to analyze both of them because for the sake of time, so just pick one and tell me uh, which one I should analyze for you, Euro NZD or GBP NZD. Pick one of it, send it right now in the live chat if you are still right here. I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for that. So send it, send it, send it. I'm waiting for that, man. Yeah, like I said, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, bro. Give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. So yeah, that's what I see, or that's what I saw on GBP JPY. So I'll delete these things so that it will not confuse us. So from here now, I'll go down to Zoom call so that I can have a Zoom call with ITT Premium students as well, since today is Sunday. And the market will open in less than 2 hours from now. So we have to do something, right? We have to do something, guys. So we have to do something. Yeah, that's what I saw on GBP JPY. Let me see. Okay, there's no question, nothing, right? And I think this guy Kilo Trailer is not here anymore, so no need for me to analyze this very pair. So let's go down and look out for fundamentals, guys. Forex Factory first. For my FX book. Then let's go down to Forex Factory. Where is my Forex Factory now? Okay, see it right here. Which news are we having tomorrow, today, or so ever? There's news today anyway, but okay, this was US Independence Day. Usually doesn't have any. The market is not open anyway. That's what I mean. So now, let me zoom this so that we'll be able to see it clearly, right? Hopefully you guys are able to see what is happening, right? So now, Monday, July 5th, 2021, we'll be having AUD Commonwealth Bank Composite. Okay. Yeah. It's not gonna impact the market that much. So I'm trying to check out for high impact news. So yeah, there's no news for USD. No news for USD tomorrow, guys. No news. And only Euro and this MOM. Yeah, this is not going to yeah, it's not going to have anything on the market. There's not going to be a high impact. This one as well, it might be a high impact PMI. Yeah, Euro. Okay, yeah, we must see some sort of potentiality to either move to the upside or to the downside on Euro, guys, because we have a couple of Euro news here, and also we'll still have to follow it on Bloomberg, right? Bloomberg.com. We still have to follow it on that. So let's check it out so that you guys can see how we do all these fundamentals and stuff like that, right? So this is Bloomberg right now, and I usually check my live updates and also live streams here, so you can see that these are the latest news about stock rates and bond currencies and economics and stuff like that. So you can go down to either currencies, stocks, bond, and anyone. So this is currencies right now. This is Euro USD, America's EML or silver. We are having some sort of Yeah, so there's nothing happening here right now. All right, so let's come down to Forex Factory. Yeah, this is for today. Let's go around to tomorrow and see what is going to happen tomorrow. My FX book, Forex Factory has nothing much. AUD. So you can see that we still have something for Euro all day, which is this opaque. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Bank holiday for card starting from yeah, which is this Bank of Canada. That's the meaning of this BOC, Bank of Canada. So uh, and bank holiday for USD as well. Okay, there's not going to be a very volatile move for USD pairs tomorrow because of this bank holiday, guys. And the Bank of Canada Business Outlook survey. So there's nothing much happening on what is to call it on these fundamentals. So we'll have to just keep on watching and stuff like that, right? All right, guys. So yeah, thank you very much for your time and things like that. I think we only have 4 minutes left right now, so we'll still come back live tomorrow or next tomorrow. I don't have time for that because I do lots of things, guys. I do lots of things, so it is what it is. Trying to do a couple of things. All right, guys. So yeah, I appreciate your time. Thank you, each and every one of you, for participating in today's live stream. I appreciate it, and I will see you tomorrow. And I wish each and every one of you a very good and profitable week, man. So once more again, I am Israel the Trader, and I'm signing out. Thank you very much, guys. I will see you soon. Stay safe out there. Do your analysis, execute your trade, and trade with very good risk management. I will leave you with that. Peace out.